It's day number 86. I'm John McLauchlan. Welcome back. We are promoting Clickbank products using myleadgensecret. So what I usually do, I usually go through the whole process of what I do. And if you go from day 1 to day 50, I'll show you exactly what I do in terms of leveraging and making money with this business model. But let me ask you a question. If you're watching this video right now, okay, if maybe this is the first time you've seen any of my videos, maybe you're somebody that checks in quite regularly, are you really serious about making money online? Because I know a lot of people say they want to, okay, but a lot of people are not really that serious, okay. And when I say serious, what I mean by making money online seriously is that you do things when you don't want to do them, all right. And a lot of people, they're kind of, when it gets difficult, people kind of quit, okay. Not really getting the results, it's taking too long to get a result, I'm going to quit, okay. So here's the question: are you really interested in making money online? Because something as simple as leveraging this business model, okay, whether you promote Clickbank products, whether you promote your own products, whatever you promote, using myleadgensecret is or can be the catalyst to many great things when it comes to being an online business owner. And the reason I say that is because what you're going to learn is how to connect with your audience. You're going to learn how to develop that copywriting power of persuasion that will take you to wherever you want to go online, wherever you want to go in your online business. And the thing is, a lot of people unfortunately don't realize that, because most people quit before they actually gain any momentum, okay. And what I'm saying in this is, if you really want to make money online, and what I mean is going through the pain, going through the not getting the results for maybe a month, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months. You might go through this for 3 months and not get any results, but ultimately it's worth it because you are developing your skills, and when you develop your skills, the results come, okay. And one of the little things I will add to that is, a lot of people blame the software, they blame the people who's teaching them, they blame the leads that they're getting in, they blame all sorts apart from themselves, okay. And really, when you take responsibility for yourself and for your own efforts and for your own personal development when it comes to making money online, then you will ultimately and eventually make money online. I know that seems maybe a little bit patronizing, but there are too many people online sugarcoating the process, saying to too many people it's really simple, it's dead straightforward, all you've got to do is this, 10 minutes later and overnight you'll make loads of money. And it just isn't true, okay. In some cases, some people will get very lucky and they will make money fairly quickly, but in the main, most people, it takes a consistent effort over a sustained period of time to make money online, okay. And that's really where this lesson ends today, okay. I've been showing you this strategy, this business model, you know, all the way from the 1st of January, and it is a very simple and a straightforward process. But by the same token, it's a bit like learning golf, okay. Any of you golfers out there, any of you wannabe golfers out there, you will know exactly what I mean, okay. Or it can mean the same thing. I'm going to use the analogy of golf, okay. I remember when I first went to the golf range, okay, just swinging the bats, okay, hitting the balls, okay, and I used to go into my local golf range and I used to say, can I borrow your clubs? I haven't got any clubs. And I did this over a sustained period of time, and I started hitting the ball. And I remember once I got into position, okay, and I swung the club and I hit it, and I didn't even feel the connection between the club and the ball. The ball just went, okay, and it went straight, and it just went for I don't know, 250 yards. It hit the back of the net, and you know, as soon as I hit it, some guys walked in, and they go, oh yeah, and I'm going, that was a fluke. I'm going, oh yes, yes, thank you. All right, this is with the clubs that I borrowed, and then this happened. This happened over a period of time where I got better and better and better. And I thought, this is really good. I'm going to buy my own clubs. And I bought my own clubs, and could I hell's like hit the ball after that, okay. I would hit the ball and it would go vertical straight up and hit the roof and everybody would take cover. or I'd hit the ball so hard it would probably take a chunk out the grass, you know. And the thing is, this is what happens in business, okay? This is what can happen when you want to start making money online. This is what can happen. And sometimes you start and you get like an initial sale and you go, wow, I can't believe it, this is the first time I've ever made a sale online, this is fantastic, My Lead Gen Secret's awesome, John's awesome, everyone's awesome, I love life, everything's great, okay? And you don't get a sale for 3 or 4 weeks and you start doubting yourself and it's like, maybe I was a bit presumptuous in what I said. And then you start questioning everything and the confidence starts to go down and you start to really wonder whether this is for you, okay? And the only thing I would say is stay consistent, all right? Now the thing is with the clubs is that these clubs were too long for me, okay? And that's why, okay, I didn't get any mentors, I didn't get any teachers to teach me how to play golf. I just got these clubs, I thought that's a good price. Let's see if we can hit them as hard as we can, okay? And that's what happened, okay? But when it comes to making money online, your ultimate secret, okay, is just being consistent and improving your skills along the way, okay, every single day. And I always say the same thing, but so many people need to hear the message. They really do. Everyone needs to hear the message, okay? And so many people make the same mistakes when it comes to making money online. So many people, maybe they'll have a sale, maybe they won't have an initial sale, maybe they'll rely on something else to try and magically get sales in, okay? But we all start with that initial hope. We all think this is going to work. I'm going to make a commitment, okay? And if you've made a commitment, then you've done more than a lot of people do, where most people just talk about it and one day I'll do this and one day I'll start a business and maybe one day, but I've got this overtime to do. And so if you've made a commitment, then good on you, okay? The next commitment is to make it work, okay? And that's where a lot of people fall down, because the unknown and, like I said, hitting the club and hitting the ceiling, okay? Wondering, and then the people that duck in life, okay? Your family members and the people that know you and the people that go, well, you know, maybe you should just go and get a job, okay, and all that kind of thing. So you've got so much against you when it comes to building a business online, in terms of where you put yourself in life and the backup and the support that you get from the most people that want to, you know, your family and friends. It's a real weird thing. If you go onto social media and you say, I've got a new job, and you'll get 1 million people saying, well done, congratulations, you're awesome, that sort of thing. And you tell people that you just started a new business, what do you get? Bloody nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh, we started a new business. Oh. Okay. So you've got a lot against you when it comes to it. So prove people wrong. Be consistent with what you do. And let's jump into today's session. What I normally do, I normally show you the whole process. I'm not going to go through that because I really wanted to dedicate some time to really just to try and tell you and just try and guide people, to try and guide you watching this, what it takes to build a business online. It doesn't take massive amounts of money. It doesn't take buying $1,000 course, the secrets of the internet, okay? Don't get hoodwinked with all that. It just comes down to you and really knowing, understanding that everything that you need to do to build a business online, you kind of already know, okay? And it comes down to you and just building your skills. When I say I already know, what I mean is that you already have the majority of what it takes. If you go to any online business course or seminar and they'll go, okay, I'm going to tell you the secrets of success, and they sit down and they talk to you and you go, yeah, that's common sense, yeah, that's common sense, yeah, buy a product at wholesale and sell it at retail, that's common sense. And you go, wow, I've been really let down by this course because all he's done is talk common sense. That's all business is, okay? Where people get stuck is when people go, are you trying to develop traffic by promoting Mileage Gen Secret. And you go, yeah. You go, well, that's why you're going wrong. Because Mileage Gen Secret is a load of old nonsense. Okay, what you want to be doing is you want to be doing this. And you go, I see. And this is what a lot of marketers do, is that they identify weaknesses in what you are doing and they exploit them. They're exploiting you. Okay, purely to get you to buy their stuff. All right. And if you go online and you go onto, if you type in My Lead Gen Secret review, or My Lead Gen Secret scam, okay, all these different things that people, put in, it's just a really poor, immature marketing tactic to try and get people to buy their stuff. Okay, it's really ridiculous. So you've got to be aware of that. And this is another thing where I say you've got what it takes to build a business online. You've got to have the mettle and the mental capacity to really understand where people are coming from when it comes to buy my stuff. Okay, so you'll see, Mileage Gen Secret, is it a scam? Well, actually, Mileage Gen Secret, what they do is they supply really bad, really low quality leads that will never convert. They will never actually make any money. But what I would recommend is this product that I'm using right now, and this is what I've been using. All that kind of nonsense. Okay, so look at things for yourself, but never just listen to what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Just listen to what I'm saying, and just know that everything you need to build a business is there. Okay, it's out there. People are selling courses for $1,000, and the majority of the information is already available online. Okay, it's already available for free. Okay, whatever you want to do online. Okay, there may be some caveat to it, but just remember that if you want to make money online, just believe what I say in terms of being consistent, and look at the people who are getting results and just copy what they do, model what they do. Okay, and the results will come. So Mileage Gen Secret, if you don't know what it is, as I always say, go to the description below. Okay, this is my video from yesterday. This is day 85. If you look at the little icon here where you've got the little was it a play icon, click here to join Mileage Gen Secret. If you click on that, that's going to take you over to my page. And what I've done on this first page, I tell you exactly how to sign up for Mileage Gen Secret and how I signed up for it and how I get multiple leads and multiple sets of 5 tiered commissions coming in by referring myself. I referred myself on five different times, so I've got 5 accounts all stacked together. Okay, which gives me an advantage. I recommend you start with at least 3 if you're going to do this strategy. But always, when you start a business with the intention of making money. Okay, don't start a business if you're going to put yourself in financial constraints. If you're in financial hardship right now, getting 5 accounts may not be feasible for you. Getting 3 accounts may not be feasible. Okay, maybe if 1 account makes sense for you, do it, but for goodness sake, be consistent with it and follow exactly what I say in this case study. Okay, it's going to take you a bit longer to get sales with 1 account, but there's plenty of people out there with the skills who have done extremely well with just 1 account. Okay, so have a look at this video for yourself, and if you think getting involved in Mileage Gen Secret is right for you, then what you can do, you can click on there, enter your name and email address. That's going to put you on my list. Okay, and all I do, I send you kind of lots of information and bonuses, and just make sure you're on track with everything. I don't spam you. I've never ever sold anyone's information for my personal gain. I've never done that. I never will. Okay, I believe people sign up in confidence. Okay, and that's the way I keep it. So when you click on yes, let's get started right now, what it's going to do, it's going to bring you over to the My Lead Gen Secret checkout page, and you can just check out in the usual way and get your first account. First account is going to cost you $30 a month. It's going to cost you $60 in the first month and $30 thereafter. And what you'll do, you'll get 100 leads in probably the first 10 minutes. Okay, if you sign up for the multiple accounts, then you'll get your bonus leads within 24 hours. Okay, and it does make a big difference sending out to more leads. So that's what I would do. And yeah, all I do in this is I use Clickbank. I use Clickbank products, and I've used the same product for the duration of this case study. And I said what I'm going to be doing is kind of reviewing that at the end of this quarter. When we go into Q2, I'm going to be changing it and then writing better emails based on what we've done over the previous quarter. So we're constantly improving the process. And again, as well as being consistent, you've got to really sort of understand what is working, what isn't working, and just be open to changing things. And like I said, it's all a case of testing and measuring and refining the process along the way. Right, so I'm going to be jumping in. I'm going to be going through this case study. I'm going to be sending all my leads the email of today. But if you've got any questions, please reach out to me. Drop me a comment just below. If you've got any questions, anything that you want to know, okay, I will give you the right information for you. Okay, if you think My Lead Gen Secret is a lot of old nonsense, okay, then I respect that. Okay, if you're ready to get started, then fine. You know what to do. You can click on the description below and get started with me, because if you do get started with me, at least you'll be in the right place. You'll be with somebody who is getting results, and I'll be able to guide you in the best way possible for you to get results as well. Okay, so that's really why I do these case studies, and also to get more customers. Okay, it's a win-win situation. I get another customer, or I get another referral, I make some more commissions, and in doing so you also get commissions, but you also learn your trade, which I think is above all priceless. It really is, for the price that we're talking about. So there we go. That is My Lead Gen Secret. That is my tip or lesson for today on day 86. Join me tomorrow when I'll be looking at the stats, looking at see what sales have come in overnight. I'm pretty sure we'll be getting a sale, maybe even 2 sales tomorrow. We'll see. That's the way it's been going. But I say, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, then do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. There's a lot more information coming on this channel, and if you got some value from this, hopefully you did. Hopefully I haven't offended anybody, but if I did, then you've probably already gone anyway, so that's okay. So thank you if you're still here. Give us a thumbs up as well, and I will see you on the session tomorrow. Bye for now.